This is the X8R improved design clutch slave cylinder repair kit for Fiat 500s, Pandas and Ford Ka. This kit is designed to permanently rectify leaking and loss of pressure in the clutch system caused by cracks in the union. The X8R kit is the most comprehensive kit on the market. The union is made from 316 marine-grade stainless steel and anti-leak crush rings. It also comes with amalgamating tape to protect the joint and keep out contaminants, 316 marine-grade stainless steel pipe inserts to strengthen the inside wall of the clutch pipes, and a bleeding hose to assist in bleeding the clutch system from excess fluid or trapped air.